Hello, welcome to my channel Dragon Army All-in-One. Today's special, we teach you how to add clip graphics and Vignette effect in Kinemaster. Let's start. Open Kinemaster in your Android and open new folder. Select aspect ratio of the project. And add a background for the project. Select any background you want. I choose this background for me. Extend it and select OK. Now click on it. You can see the option clip graphics. Now select any clip graphics. You can see the travel ascent, plane moving. You can see a bag. Write anything you want. And you can add any font for that word and select OK. You can set it appear. Now play it. There are more clip graphics. Check all and choose any one. It's a balloon clip graphics, it's a train clip graphics, and see more sentimental clip graphics, powerful clip graphics, on stage. There are more and more title effects, BAM effect, flip title effect. For the flip title effect, write anything for the flip and select OK. You can see the flip effect appear. See, it works. Now check more and more clip graphics. There are comic clip graphics, ghost story, more and more credits, stylish final, manuscript, style main, stylish subtitle, thriller, floating credits. There are more and more basic title effects, bulletin effects, subtitles, center, modern, elegant, more and more. Slide across. Now go back and I choose this effect for me. Now go back and click on the player screen. You can see so many options. Click on the Vignette effect and enable it. Now you can see the Vignette effect on the background. Now play and see. It is successful. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell button for more notifications. And please like me.